So paying with Clearpay at Saramart is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm gonna teach you how you guys can pay with Clearpay at Saramart. So before we begin, let me clear some things for you. So what actually is Clearpay? Clearpay is actually Afterpay. In some countries, the Clearpay is called as Afterpay, while in other countries it is called as Afterpay. So you just need to make sure in your country if it's Clearpay or Afterpay. After that, you just have to go to your Saramart application, and in the application you have to select any of the products that you want to buy. Suppose I want to buy this knife, so I'm just going to click on that, and I want to buy this, I'm going to click on that again, and I'm just going to put it to my cart. So how can I do that? I'm going to scroll down, and after that, after putting it to the cart, you have to go to your cart, and in your cart you just have to go to this checkout section, and in the checkout section I'm just going to allow the location, and in the checkout section they will want you to add your phone numbers, your country, your zip code. After these information, you will be able to see an option for the payment methods, and in the payment method you have to simply add Afterpay as a payment method, and it will charge the amount of money from your Afterpay. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use Afterpay or with Saramart. Hope you guys find this very helpful.